Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to demo trade on OKX. So first of all, you need to create your own account. After that, you need to verify your account. If you don't have any idea how to do that, check out the previous videos that I created. But after that, you have your account and now we can start demo trade. So what you need to do is click here on trade and then go down to demo trade right here. Then from now, you will find here on the left the symbols that we can trade. So let's say we want to trade in Bitcoin USD. So now we have the chart right there. And let's say we want to create a order. Now it's quite simple. If you go down, you have here a limit order, market order, decide what you want to do. And then after that, just fill in the price that you want to step in. So let's say this price is fine. Then fill in, we want to buy 1 Bitcoin. I know that's a lot, but hey, we are using a demo account. Then from here, you see here the total money that we step in for that. And then after that, we can also create a take profit or a stop loss when we click here on this button. And then after that, if you want to buy it, click on buy, do confirm. And we just bought some nice Bitcoin. He's telling us that we don't have enough money on this account, and that is not strange. But this is how you can demo trade right here on OKX. So if you want to sell, you can do exactly the same. So these are the things that you need to do to demo trade. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.